Hello. Good morning, everyone. Today I got this Kia Picanto, Kia Picanto key. See this key here? Okay, I will show you how to change the battery. Okay. This is the key. This is Kia Picanto. It's generation 2017 to 2020. Okay, it is very simple as well, compare with like Mercedes or Volvo, or this is a very straightforward, like replacing, like you see, this is the blade, key blade. Obviously, right, you need to open the key blade first, let it go like that, and then you see this side here, the battery is inside, so you just put your thumb here. Okay, you hold the key like that, you put thumb here, and then you press it down, see, just like that, and then use a flat screwdriver, push it in this side, yes, because the spring is there, see, the spring is there, so this side, push it up like that, just up like that. Okay, now here's the battery, CR2032 battery. Okay, so new battery, go in this angle in first, and then press it down, see, and then the cover, the cover, this side go in first, like that, and then you just press it down, see, it's all done. It's very quick, isn't it? So thank you for watching the video. Okay, thank you.